Well, you remember that closet rod that I broke? We are now gonna glue it together and see how much it'll hold. Okay, what we're gonna be trying, this is exterior wood glue, HFT. Then we have the Titebond, this is interior. And then we have this epoxy quick dry, the cement and the activator. Okay, now I have got something new that Ace told me about. Now you can fix anything. Repair wrap. 100 times stronger than duct tape. Well, we know duct tape's good for about 10 pounds. Okay, shows it takes about 10 minutes to cure. But we're not going to be using it outside. We're not going to be using it around hot or cold. And I don't know what the paintbrush means. I guess you can paint it. Alright, well, let's start. Alright, wear gloves. Good for shovels. It says fully submerge the whole roll in lukewarm water for 10 to 12 seconds. 3. Remove excess water by squeezing roll of Fiberfix. First, wrap layer loosely directly over the break, then begin wrapping tightly around broken item. Continue to wrap 4 inches on either side of the break. Wrap with 5 or 6 layer directly over the break. Rub along application of Fiberfix to evenly distribute rosin. To maximize performance, use vinyl strip provided directly over Fiberfix. Wait 5 minutes, then remove. Now here's our Fiberfix in a plastic bag, and I guess this is the vinyl stuff they're talking about. I guess it keeps from sticking to your gloves or something, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to use this on part of this pole. We're going to probably try to use it in the center just to see how strong it really is. Okay, I'm going to write on each area what we're going to use. So the first one we're going to use is this interior exterior. Alright, let's soak this thing down. It looks like we're going to need 2 clamps on this one. Okay, so here's number 2. Here's number 2. Trying to okay, we got that one clamped down. Okay, here's the place we're going to fix. That one there with the Fiberfix. Well, first thing I'm going to do, just to kind of keep it in place, I've got this epoxy quick setting. That way I get it together and it'll be a little easier to work with. Oh, this stuff does oh, this stuff does not go very far. Well, let it sit there for a few minutes. Well, it says 5 minutes, so. Alright, let's take this apart. It's been about 30 minutes. The dunking of it. We're going to use the whole roll. and I'm pulling it as tight as I possibly can. And we're going to go back over it again. Okay. Okay.